The Macalister River flood that occurred in June 2021 was a 1 in 30-year event and saw significant damage to the river and adjoining farmland. The site pictured here is on the upper Macalister, where we can see significant bank erosion on a large outside bend. In this state, the bank is very unstable and will continue to erode even in minor events. This will cause excessive sedimentation downstream and significant loss of land. In this project, we aim to stabilise the bank using all natural materials. The first stage of this was gathering logs deposited during the flood and digging them into the base of the bank to stabilise the toe. These logs act just like Rio in concrete. The next step was pulling cobbles deposited on the inside of the bend back to the outside to create a stable bench. This also helps direct flow away from the vulnerable bank while it recovers. Next, we peeled back the topsoil and battered the subsoil down over the logs, creating a nice, gentle slope. In the coming months, we'll repair the fencing and revegetate the bank with native trees and shrubs. This vegetation will stabilise the area into the future, allowing the site to become naturally resilient to future flooding.